Hello everyone, it's me again, Joe Chen. In the last video, we talked about the expandable container house and where it's being used. For this video, we're going to dig a little bit more about why we developed it in the first place and how does it look like on the outside and in the inside when it's completed. For expandable container house, it can also easily be installed with only flipping, opening the roof, the wall, the floor, everything, and then lock everything together with rivets and self-tapping screws. And let's have a look at the outside. It's very simple, very smooth, very modern, and we also have the other accessories. The awning over here is actually providing a shade for people working on this door. And then we can have a look at this glass sliding door. Okay, let's come inside and have a look. Well, look at that! Even have electricity here. We can see this is actually a 38 square meter house. You can see one bedroom, another bedroom, the bathroom, the kitchenette, and here an empty area, maybe for the lounge or the living room. Okay, let's have a look at the rooms. When you see inside is a very cozy small bedroom. Maybe you can put a bed here, and a small nightstand, and maybe here just one more desk. And also have the ceiling light. The other room also the same. Very smooth window. And let's look at the bathroom also. We can see the second toilet here, and also the shower room, and the wash basin cabinet, and the mirror. Also the ceiling light comes completed. And we see this very nice kitchenette. You can see the stove, very nice. Also the stainless steel sink. And let's look at this cabinet. Very smooth, very beautiful, no noise, very good quality. And also this window, very nice quality, very beautiful also. So you can see here is actually a 4 meter by 4 meter, roughly 16 square meter area. Can be used for a lounge or living room or dining area, any way you like. That's pretty much about it, about this expandable container house. It can be easily used for quickly after arrival. And although it is small, but it contains everything you need inside. If you like this product, if you like this video, you can always like me on the website. This is Joe Chen, I'm from WellCamp. Thank you very much, and here we present you the expandable container house.